Hello everyone, welcome back to Gondal Tech. So in today's video, I am going to perform exploratory data analysis with the help of ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT. If you are a student or you are a new person in the field of data science, there is a possibility that you might have to learn very in-depth analysis of Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn libraries. So it might be very confusing for you to learn from the scratch. So I have decided to make a tutorial on it where I'm going to use ChatGPT along with the my Jupyter notebook. I will be loading a data set and then I will ask ChatGPT so we can perform multiple scenarios in this. So let's start building it. First of all, let me show you ChatGPT. So here I have opened the a tab of ChatGPT. I will ask here queries about my data set, and then ChatGPT will respond to it, and then I will be simply copying the code from here and then pasting it into my Jupyter notebook. So from this we will be doing exploratory data analysis, but this will be a step by step. So the initial step is to open ChatGPT. I am using here the free account, so mostly you don't have to buy the premium account of ChatGPT. The simple free version of ChatGPT is enough to perform this. So first of all, let me show you my data set. So basically this is the data set which I will be using. Its name is air pollution.csv. This is a CSV file which I will be loading into Jupyter notebook. So if we look on the data set, it has some features. So here is the data set. We can simply observe that it has a feature of date, pollution today, dew point. Basically it is the humidity, temperature, pressure, wind speed, snow, and the rain. Okay, and the previous day, uh, air pollution of the previous day. So this is the data set. On this I am going to perform exploratory data analysis. Just like you, I don't have any idea how I am going to use ChatGPT for this purpose. So first thing first, I need to create a Jupyter notebook file. So let's start it. I will search for the Anaconda prompt window, and here it is. uh, I will check where is my data set placed. So it is in my D drive, and the path to access this file is this. I am going to copy this path, and then in shell I will desteric, press enter, cd, and I will paste my address and then again press enter. Now I will write here Jupyter notebook. So this will open a new tab in my browser where the uh, that notebook is open. Okay, yes, here it is. So it is open now. You can see there is only dataset available. So I will click on the Python 3 file from where I'm going to open it. Okay, now let's start asking ChatGPT how it can help us. So the file name is air underscore pollution. Hi, I have a dataset named air underscore pollution dot csv. How can I load this file into Jupyter notebook? Okay, sorry.